Fadrik Akruaria Harpan the new Wessel Martu Gabuan and the Hlanche Skaradari Yahuai Tajawa Katuar Kishmin Lanish Gabuan and Gasbadi Nifachladi Geswara Badian Lishveglua Shart Atarent Gakuantin Spanye Skawala kaula sarua gersala wahanu asla sniverer garuak taner fadrik tapadi.
I was lucky. I grew up beside a really good shadow singer, Kathleen Yonan. But there's people in Japan and America. They learn shadow songs and okay, they weren't brought up beside a shadow singer. I was just lucky that happened to me, but they're entitled to learn channels, and they're lucky now that they can go into archives and look for stuff, and you see the beauty in the culture and try to preserve it and take it on to the next generation. That's the most important thing. It doesn't matter what your DNA is made of.
Nancy tan krevlat dari gshiari gesirai an silur gabralat snir lulak kchirin ban mon yakhri war nasakita ignis nahat